The holiday season is booming with demand for personalized gifts. You know you need something truly one of a kind. But let's be real, traditional crafting is slow, output is low, and the quality is often rough.
Ugh, slow and sloppy.
Upgrade now. This is your personalized gift factory, LaserPecker LP5.
A color-engraved flask? Can you do that?
Easy job with my dual 20-watt lasers. The Fiber One delivers rich, permanent colors right on stainless steel.
Holy moly, these colors! Jimmy is going to love this. But what about tough stuff, like brass or slate?
Bring them on. I'm the go-to expert on hard materials. And get ready for serious relief and deep engraving.
Look at that depth. Perfect results. The brass detail really pops. So how's the cut?
We're talking 20mm wood and 18mm acrylic cutting. Yep, even 1mm sheet metal.
Clean edge. No fuzz. Can we go even faster?
My top speed hits 10,000 millimeters per second. Lets you process almost anything super fast. Just look at these genuinely exquisite custom gifts. Such thoughtful gifts. Anyone would love to receive them.
Wait, how do I do this shape?
Grab the rotary extension. You can clamp any size cylinder and get 360 engraving all the way around it. You know, LP5 also automatically adapts to curved surfaces. No shape can hold back your creation.
Gifts done. Time to decorate my own place.
Maximize throughput with the slide extension. Expand your workspace to load and go, finishing entire batches in one go. The LaserPecker LP5, your ultimate choice, period. Celebrate giving and cherish the season. Merry Christmas!